Alright, so this is something that I saw. I don't remember where I saw it, Facebook or TikTok or what, but I'm going to try it. Supposedly, you can mix Elmer's glue, or school glue, I guess, with food coloring and get a sea glass effect. We shall see. I am going to use, I have like a billion of these, and I don't want to use my Good Disney one, so I'm going to use this one. My not Disney, it's my bee ones. So I'm going to use my Dollar Tree Betty Crocker ones to mix. The first one, I picked up these from Dollar Tree too, so if it's a bust, no big loss. So I want to make a teal color. That would be green and blue. Yes. Take my brush and just, hold on a second, because I want to remove this part too. So take that part. Okay, so now trying to get it evened out. That is really difficult. Just trying to get it all even. So we're going to let this one dry. And this is a teal color, I swear to you. It's looking blue in the recording, but hopefully I can fix that in editing. But it is a really pretty teal color. So I'm going to let this dry. And I'm going to see how that looks before I do the other one. So I'm actually going back over with a second coat. And I'm doing it with a much lighter touch. And the other thing is that I'm dipping my brush in water and then in the glue and food coloring mixture. And then I want to go over the rim. Try to keep going in the same direction. Don't do what I'm doing. Even better if you can do it in one swoop. This is where the water comes in. Just thins it. Right, now the only thing that I can do now is let that dry again. Hey guys, I just wanted to tack this on to the end of this video because I wanted to point something out with these jars. The little light on the inside is just a little battery thing from Dollar Tree. But I also wanted to point out that on the yellow one, I used a single layer of the mixture, and I think it turned out beautifully. Now on this one, remember I coated it twice. And I think it still looks really pretty, but it is thicker and it doesn't look as sea glassy as this one does. So it just depends on your preference and but this is 2 coats. This is 1 coat. I think when I do this again, and I will do this again because I love how they turned out, I will use 1 coat in the future. If you do this, please show them to me. I would love to see how yours turns out. And you can do this with vases, which is something I'm going to do because I have a ton of clear vases out there just sitting on the porch. And I'll probably try this with 1 or 2 of them. And candlesticks, glasses, votives. It's limitless. Have fun. If you try this tutorial, please let me know.